Good morning guys, in front of me is OnePlus Nord 4 and let me show you how to block a number. At first, open your phone dialer. Then from main dialer list, select more icon and click on settings. Here go to block numbers and you can either block all unknown colors if you want to, or you can add some number manually by yourself. Just mark add a number and provide it here. Then mark block. Wakey. Okay, so at first you need to mark confirmation mark here and then tap on block. And that's it. From now on, those numbers, those contacts are blocked. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.